Today we are going to use the place value using base 10 blocks and the number line to solve a subtraction problem. First, our subtraction problem is Sarah's class baked 357 cookies. They sold 139 cookies on the first day. How many do they have left? First, we need to establish what our math sentence will be. We know that they started off with 357 cookies and they sold. That's a key word. Sold is a key word. That means they do not have it anymore. And it says, how many do they have left? What's left over? So what we know so far is that they are taking away. So they started out, they began with 357 and they took away, because they sold, 139. So our sentence is 357 minus 139. First, we want to find out how many base 10 blocks we would need. And I make these little ones for our camera. In 357, we have 3 100s. We have 5 10s, because 50 is 5 10s. And we have 7 units. And here we go. So what we want to do is take away 139. First we need to break down 139. We know that there are 1 100, there is 3 10s, and there are 9 units. So we can right away take away that 100. Take one of these blocks away. In 30, we can find 30 and take 3 10s away. And 9, we have 9 units. We need to take away 9 units, but let's see how many units we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we do not have enough units to take away right now, so we need to trade in a tens block for 10 units. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are able to take away those 9. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I almost missed it there. So now we can just count the blocks that we have left. So we see that we have 1 100, 2 100s, and let's write 2 right here. We have 1 10 left, so let's write that 10. And let's count our units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 218. So that was pretty easy, really easy using those base 10 blocks. The values. So now I'm going to demonstrate using the number line. Let me take this. Like I stated before, we already established our math sentence, our subtraction sentence. And what we want to do now is draw a number line. And we want to start with the largest number because we are going to work backwards on the number line. So now what we want to do is break down 139 like we did before. We know that in the number 139 there is 100. There are 3 tens. I'm going to write out 3 tens just like this. I'm going to come down here. I can fit it in there. And we have 9 units. So what we want to do is subtract these numbers one by one from 347. So we're going to jump back like this and put minus 100. And 357 minus 100 equals 257. We're going to jump back. Let me cross out that. I'm going to minus 10. 257 minus 10 equals 247. We're going to jump back another 10. Right, so minus 10. 247 minus 10 is 237. Cross out that 10. We don't want to repeat anything. Jump back another 100. Another 10. 237 minus 10 is 227. And from here, we can split that 9 to make it easier. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split it into 7 plus 2. We know that 7 plus 2 equals 9. So if I jump back 7, 227 minus 7, that's 220. Let's cross out our 7. I forgot to cross out that 9. So 220, we jump back, minus 2. 220 minus 2 is 218. That's how we find our answer, by jumping back. It's making the subtraction easier for us.